December 2022 was not a good month for book sales. Hello writers in training, I'm Shannon, writing under the pen name of SC Houston and the author of the Clash of Goddesses series. Welcome to my channel where I show writers like you how to develop your writing skills and self-publish your work. Like I mentioned in my last income report, I did end up scheduling one promotion for December, and this was in addition to my cost for Story Origin and my Amazon ads. Using the KDP reports, I can see that for the entire month of December, I sold one ebook copy of Blood of the Lily in the amount of $2.75. I had one KEMP, Kindle Pages Reads, 4 Tears of the Marigold, which netted me $0. Now the one promotion I paid for was with Reign of Reeds, and then I set Blood of the Lily free for 2 days, December 12th through the 13th. This led to 51 downloads of the book, which of course brought no sales, and the cost of this promotion was $9.60. So let's look at the new numbers in comparison to last month's numbers. The total number of books sold is now 170. KEMP is the same, so this gives me new total earnings of $315.53. Adding Story Origin's cost of $8.33, Amazon ads the amount of $8.49, and the promotion with Reign of Reeds for $9.60, I have new marketing costs of $1,687.09. My new and current deficit for Blood of the Lily is $2,103.66. This is a new deficit increase of $23.67. Soul of a Rose stays the same with no changes. Tears of the Marigold has the addition of one KEMP, but with no changes to royalty. And the Clash of Goddesses box set stays the same. Combining all books numbers, I have sold 690 books, with 20,795 KEMP, for total earnings of $719.60. Marketing costs increased to $1,824.42, which makes a new grand deficit of $4,327.45. If you've been following me for a bit, then you know I've done these income reports every month since the first month I published back in November of 2021. However, I want to dedicate more time to writing, and making videos takes quite a bit of time, something that I've really enjoyed, but I'm going to change how I report information for 2023. I'm thinking that either I will do a video like every quarter, or maybe a live at the end of every month to tell you guys my figures. Let me know which one you would prefer in the comments below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and happy writing.